Ho, ho, ho! Ho, ho, ho! Hey guys, how are you? Yeah. Well, I'm so glad to see you guys today. We're here at the beach. It's summertime. Yeah. And we're at the beautiful beach with the white sand instead of white snow. Yeah. Different. It is different. And I like both. Yeah, I like them both. I'm glad to be visiting with you guys here. I want to encourage you to watch the other videos that we have shot for Christmas in July. Okay, you'll get to see other gifts being opened and played with here at the beach. So I've got a couple of gifts I'm going to give you guys. Okay, that one is for Ryder, and this one is for Daniel. Let's let Ryder go first since he's the younger.
This one. Some thick paper, huh? Yep. Does it go in the water?
It goes on the water.
Well, look, it does multiple things. I think it's supposed to be able to do right here water and sand.
Whoa!
So
And ice.
And yeah, ice. Y'all are gonna have to try that out, huh?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah,
now that'll be for both of you to play with.
Let Daniel do
Okay.
his.
And then you can both play with this one. All right, Daniel, go ahead and open yours. Yeah,
A boomerang.
This is cool.
show it to me.
Yeah.
All right, good deal.
So then we'll.
Now that's something you said you wanted, didn't it?
Yeah.
A boomerang.
Well, no, it came back. That actually comes back. But,
Well,
you know.
This one's
and
supposed to, so
we'll
we're gonna
see
try
if it
out.
does. Okay. Hopefully it will. All right, guys. So I want you to. All right, guys. So I want you to play with these down at the beach. We'll get some video of you doing that, and then we'll talk to you. We'll see if the boomerang actually comes back to you,
And if
Okay.
this actually goes on water.
and if that actually does everything that it says it'll do. Okay? All right, you guys ready to go to the beach and try out your new toys?
We'll
Okay.
Go somewhere. Let's try.
Yeah,
Come on.
let's go. Ho, ho, ho! Hey, we're gonna take a look at the remote control car. We're at the swimming pool of the beach house, and we're gonna see how it works in the water.
Ryder's gonna show us how to do it.
All right, Ryder. Where's the there? There you go, Daniel. All right. Bring it over here, Ryder. Very cool, very cool. Now take it around. There you go. All right, now show me the remote control. How does that work?
So, this is to go sideways, and this is to go backwards and forward,
Okay.
and this is to make it dance by itself.
Okay. All right.
It's dancing by itself right now.
All right. So it's doing pretty well, isn't it? All right. Very cool. Let's go try it in the sand.
Yes, sir.
Ho, ho, ho! All right, guys, we're going to try out the remote control car on the sand now. We've done it at the pool in the water. We're going to try the sand and see how it works here, okay? There we go. It's working pretty good on the sand now.
No, I got stuck. Uh-oh.
Spinning out a little bit. All right. So the conditions need to be right for it, but it will work on wet sand and in the water.
Every now and then it'll work on the drier sand.
Pretty versatile toy though, isn't it? You can play with it in the water. It can get wet. Play with it in the sand.
You can ride back.
All right. And it does well on regular land too, doesn't it?
Oh, Ryder, you gotta go get it now. Here, let's get it.
Let's try it on the boardwalk. See how it works up there.
Okay. Let's go, Ryder.
Ho, ho, ho! All right, we're gonna try it on the boardwalk. All right, on some solid ground. All right, ready? Go, Ryder. All right. And turn it around, bring it back.
It might be low on battery.
Yeah.
Guys, where are you on battery?
See if it goes now. Yeah. I think it's low on battery.
Okay. All right.
Now let's try out
The battery is a little bit low, but we just took it straight from the package and put it in. We have the other battery on charge right now, so it'll be ready to go soon.
Ho, ho, ho!
What's your favorite thing about the car?
It can go on water and sand.
Nice. What's your favorite thing about the remote?
That when you press a button, it can make it like dance.
Nice. Anything else? Oh, sorry. Anything else you would like to say about the car?
Yes, it can do flips.
Ho, ho, ho!